Today I'm going to show you how to install this bot on TradingView. But before we get into this, if you guys want to join the alert room, just check link in bio. I send stock alerts in the alert room. Alright, let's get back into the video. So basically, this is the UT bot. I would recommend this for trading futures and indexes only on the 5-minute chart. As you can see, it's pretty accurate in a volatile market. You see when it goes up, you would get that buy indicator, sell it, and then you would sell the buy indicator. You see you don't lose any money on these trades. You actually made money. On this one, you buy, it told you to sell here, so that would have been like 200 pips. Then it told you to sell here, which was at 342, and then it told you to buy here. So that was a 1,000 pip move. I really recommend this indicator. It's free. Let me show you how to get it real quick. All you're going to want to do, be on tradingview.com. Click over here on this plus button. Actually, I don't think no, it's not the FX button right here, indicators plus strategies. You're going to want to type in UT bot, and I believe it's the first one that comes up. Yeah, it is the first one that came up. Just made me add 3 more, which I do not want, so let me remove all of these. You can just click the X to remove them, and then put whatever one you want. So basically, let's delete my indicators for you so you can just show the bot's process. I recommend using this on the 5-minute chart. It works well with the 5-minute. I've noticed it's about like an 80% correct. The 1-minute chart is pretty correct until it becomes choppy, so I wouldn't recommend using it on the 1-minute chart. 3-minute chart is also helpful until it becomes choppy again. So the 5-minute is very good, but also you have to be looking at this. You can't just sell, like, it will tell you exactly when to sell. So like if since it says sell here, you'll sell it here, and then you'll hold this position until it says buy. If it jumps above this line, it's going to say buy. If it stays below, it's still a sell. And you see it's buy on the 15-minute, it's still a sell. On the 5-minute, it's a buy. So you're going to want to watch carefully when you're doing this. It's pretty accurate, guys. I'm not saying it's 100%. I'm saying it's like 70 to 80% correct. On the 5-minute, on the daily, it's not right. 4 hour, it's not right. 1 hour, it's good for matching breakouts from like 1 hour to about the 5-minute. Still not super accurate, but if you want to trade Forex, let me show you guys. Go to my Forex watch list. If you want to trade Forex, it's pretty accurate, and you can see a couple good pip moves on this. As you see here, it was correct with the buy. This would have been a 300 pip move. You got to watch your stop loss too. The stop loss would be right here, so it's actually pretty safe. It's a 45 pip stop loss. So if you want to trade this, guys, just saying, you have to be watching it. But the UT bot, it is absolutely free. Anyone can get it. Just got to have tradingview.com. And I hope this video helped you in any way. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, let me know. Leave a comment down below, and I can address that comment in my next video. Hope everyone has a nice weekend, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.